Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the method works reliably. First, make sure your iPad supports voice control or Siri and that iPad OS is up to date. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and plug into power to avoid interruptions during setup. You should set a simple test passcode now if you're experimenting, because Face ID or Touch ID can take precedence. This prevents confusion while you enable voice interactions and train any required voice models. Next, enable the actual voice feature and configure commands so you can control unlocking steps. Go to Settings, Accessibility, then choose Voice Control or Siri and toggle it on. Voice Control may ask you to download a file. Allow it. Train the voice recognition if prompted by speaking sample phrases so the device learns your voice. After enabling, add custom commands for actions like opening Control Center or tapping the passcode field, because explicit commands reduce errors during the unlock sequence. Now perform the unlock sequence step by step and verify it works. With voice control active, say the exact commands you created. Open lock screen, tap passcode field, then speak digits or use a custom unlock command, pausing between steps so the iPad registers each action. If it fails, retrain the voice model, try shorter command phrases, or temporarily simplify the passcode for testing. Make sure auto lock is disabled while testing and reduce background noise. These tweaks usually.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.